What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video of the all-new Sea Ray 270 SDX. Really loving the improvements they've done on this boat. I think Sea Ray absolutely knocked out of the park. So we just had this boat arrive. It is a gray interior with a gray exterior. They call that the Horizon exterior color. You have gray sea deck across the transom with your beach boarding ladder. Now you can go up to a 400 V10 outboard, which is what we have equipped here. So that's max horsepower. This beautiful lounger where you have a freshwater sprayer, and you also have a remote for your Fusion radio. So you don't have to go all the way back to the helm if you're lounging back here, enjoying yourself at the sandbar. As you walk into the boat, you have a storage compartment. Wouldn't be a bad spot for drinks by the lounger. It's stepping into the cockpit area of the boat. First thing I love to point out, one of the updates they've done, you have a really easy release hatch here. Hit that hatch and it gives you access to your bilge. Wouldn't be a bad storage compartment as well, maybe for some water sport toys. You have deck lighting throughout the boat, as well as plenty of cup holders. Now some wireless phone chargers. You have that on both sides. Two over on the port, one on the starboard. Now you also have a cockpit table on this boat, as well as a bow table. Plenty of seating throughout. As Sea Rays are known for, it still feels like a traditional Sea Ray, just with a modern twist, I'd say. Now you have your backrest here, and the seats are bolstered. You can put them up or down depending on how high you want to sit. Now at the helm, first thing I noticed with this boat, which I love that Sea Ray is doing now, is they're making a curved windshield instead of the more squared windshield. I think it's a really beautiful design. Looks really sharp. Now at the helm, now you can get dual Simrad electronics, which this boat has. Very nice. I always like to have maybe a fish finder on one, or like we have the RPMs, miles per hour on one, and then GPS on the other. I'm the type of person where I like to split it up. So I love to see that Sea Ray is doing that now. Another wireless phone charger at the helm here. Easy access to throttles, your ignition, trim tabs, as well as your lighting and some of your pumps, your necessary features. Don't forget a cup holder for the captain and a cup holder for the co-pilot. Now on the port side is where your Fusion radio is, as well as a smaller compartment for maybe like wallets or phones that has a gasket on there, so anything in there is going to stay nice and dry. Now on the starboard side, this is one of the big changes they're doing to the SDX line. They all have the split walkthrough, and on the starboard side, you have your head compartment, which also has a small cabin area, as well as a sink. So it can be used as storage. Maybe you have some smaller children, you can put them down there to nap, or it'd be a good area to change. On the port side, you have a dedicated storage, the table I mentioned previously, nice and secured in place, and that's a lockable compartment as well. Walking up to the bow, you have plenty of seating. You'll see the front plaque here where you can mount your table or your bow filler cushion. So just in front of me here can be sealed off with the cushion that was down in the cabin. This turns into a sun pad. Plenty of cup holders, seating up here. It's a great entertaining area. This is the best seat in the house when you're floating around the water, doing a sunset cruise. You have the best view up here. You get a great breeze. You still have speakers to enjoy. Another update that I love that Sea Ray did up in the front here, I want to open up the front hatch, is now not only can you have a windlass, but you actually have an offset beach boarding ladder. So I love that they added that feature as well. That's great. So now you can you can go bow into a sandbar and still board on and off the boat that way. So if you want to come see this boat, call us today or come by MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad.